Hello everyone, so this is the front section of the house I'm staying, and it looks like there's a tube well here, and I think this is operational because I see water here. So basically you have to just press it to take the water out, and we can actually try. Okay, so yeah, it works, and usually the water is very fresh and cold. It's very good for hot weather. And then we have a pond here, and actually there's several ponds, and I think these have fishes, so you can catch fish and eat them. And you can see there are lots of chicken, and actually baby chicken too. So it looks like the mother had 4 kids. So there's some cows here. They don't look too healthy. And then there's another pond here, and some people I think live there. So if you look far, you can see there's a small kind of bridge. I think all these are paddy or rice. So if we get closer, you can see that they have, they're paddy field. So they have water in it. They need water to grow. So these are like
What is the dry season? Is the drain is full. Water.
Okay, yes. So this will grow into rice later on. And looks like we have someone giving fish food. So there's gonna be some fish coming up to eat the feed. I don't see any fish coming in here, but probably they will take their time. So lots of cows, green field, and you can hear the rooster, but it's very really hot and humid. It's 40 degrees Celsius right now, so kind of I'm sweating a lot, although I just took a shower. But taking shower in this type of extreme heat doesn't mean anything. So look, this looks like papaya, and you can see there's some papayas on the tree, and I think they're not fully grown yet, but you can see that they're going to be grown at one point. So the next thing, we're going to the market, and I'll try to do a hair shave, which is going to be part of the video as well.